All right, guys, we got a 2006 Corvette Procharged. Look at that. All the way from Texas. He's driving through and he's like, I got to come to exhaust statics. We said, we got you, man. We'll hook you up. So there it is, as you guys can see. Let me show you what was done to it. So we got long tube headers that have a little bit of damage to them, but they're still working. He's going to fix them later on, I guess. Then 3-inch X-pipe. Then we ran 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back. It was a real bad cluster over there before. It was all bent and everything. So we ran 2.5 and then installed 2 Valevtronic mufflers right there. Right there. We haven't got them plugged in yet. He didn't bring the wiring, so he's going to do it himself. So as of right now, the valves are closed, but at least you'll get to hear it with the valves closed. There they are. Valvetronics Designs mufflers on this sexy, sexy Corvette. And then we finished it off nicely with some Natami black tips. Let me get you guys the part number on the Natamis. 1671BC by good old friends at Natami. There they are. Look, they look clean, black chrome. Just a nice, sexy finish to this car. Fits the car really nice. It fits the wheels and everything. And that's what it had on it. Look how many times it's been pieced together. It was all damaged and hit and all that. We took all that off and replaced it and cleaned it up for him. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. It's got a sexy cam in it, too. Hear the whistle of the the Procharger. What a beast. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 107. And I don't blame him for driving across country, man. It's so much more fun. Sounds good with the Valvetronics closed. I wish he had the wires, but he didn't. Still sounds good though. Imagine when they're open how loud this thing would be. Insane. Here's our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee, guys, if you guys wonder where we're at. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Let you guys hear on the inside. The hood latch is broke, or I would show you under the hood. Sorry guys, I know you want to see the Procharger. Me too. But the hood latch is broke. He's still working on it.